get that thumbnail. Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another episode of the Clearance Cosmetics. I went to TJ Maxx and I found this. This is the Profusion Glitter and Glam Strobe Kit. So it has 3 highlights and I got this for $4. So yeah, we're going to open it up and we're going to swatch the highlights. So this is what the palette looks like, really cute. And then you open it up and it has 3 shades. You have Sugar Crush, Starlit, and 3 Wishes. And it also comes with a really nice highlight brush. I'm actually really impressed by it. Alright, the first one that we're going to swatch is Sugar Crush. Alright, and is what that looks like. It's super golden-y. In the pan I thought it was going to be like white, but no. Okay, the second one is Starlit. This one's almost like a rose gold. It's really pretty, I like it. I think I like it better than the first one. Alright, and the last one is 3 Wishes. That one's even more rose goldy than the second one. Really pretty. Okay, and now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of concealer on my cheeks to get that redness out. And then we're going to be placing it on the skin. Alright, so my cheeks are not as red anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be dipping into Sugar Crush, and I'm just going to be putting that on the high points of my cheek. Alright, so this is Sugar Crush. Very pretty. It is definitely goldeny. Right, and I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then I'm going to be swatching the next one. And I'm just going to be putting back a little bit more concealer so my cheeks aren't as red. Alright, so the next highlight that we're going to be trying out right here is Starlit. Alright, and that is what Starlit looks like. This one is a lot more gold. Like in person, it's a lot more gold than it's showing up on camera. The first one is it's like a lighter gold, but this one is definitely like a gold. Alright, and I'm going to be taking that off, adding more concealer, and then we're going to try the last one. Alright, and the last one that we are going to be trying is 3 Wishes. This one is like a pinky rose gold. I think out of all 3, this one's my favorite. That was the Glitter and Glam Strobe Kit by Profusion. I think it was a really nice set. You got 3 really awesome highlights, and you also got this awesome brush. The brush itself is worth the $4. So yeah, that was my review. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get more reviews and videos from me. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one, guys.